Subsurface conditions don't appear on renderings, but they determine everything about installation integrity. At MJ Elite Gymnastics in Mount Juliet, Tennessee, we hit rock, so that timeline changed immediately.
Typically a job like this might take 4 or 5 days, but we hit a lot of rock during the installation and the digging process, and took us about 3 weeks.
Rock affects compaction depth, anchoring strategy, excavation pacing, equipment staging. You're not going to force anchoring in a bedrock the same way you do soil, but you have to adjust. Installation isn't just labor, it's sequencing. Base prep must be correct before you anchor. Anchor must be correct before you assemble. Assembly must be correct before your surfacing goes in. One layer shifts, the whole sequence has to adjust. In this case, Craig Stott requested an overhead climber for his gymnastics facility. That structural modification changed load paths under rock conditions. That required recalculating your anchoring. Constraint multiplies those complexities, unless your process is controlled.
There was a lot of design and creativity involved in this. Obviously the engineering, the design to get it to meet specifications to begin with, a lot involved with that, but then fine-tuning it to get it the way that they wanted it was a bit of an art, and turned out great.
If your site has hard rock, unknown subsurface, slope variations, or unstable soil, installation is not going to be routine. It's going to be structural risk management. Those are big words, but you don't measure install quality on completion day. You measure it in how the structure holds up years later. Subsurface discipline is invisible, but it becomes everything.